Hello guys, welcome to this my first tutorial. I'm called A Young Shalom Isaac Neighbor, as in Essin. This is my first tutorial that I'm about to do right now. I've been searching the web and I've never seen on YouTube where they say do this for Cameroon, do this for Cameroon. So guys, this is my first tutorial. It's all about how to create a Bitcoin wallet, a verified Bitcoin wallet in Cameroon. Okay, so guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser, to click on the link in the description below. Then the link will take you to this page. You can see Shalom Isaac Neighbor invited you to try Coinbase. So we click on get started guys. Getting started now will pop out here, the first name and last name. So guys, I have to fill this information. So the first name, my first name is, as you all know, Young, and my last name, that's it. So now you need an email address because it's from this email address that they're going to send you a verification link. So mine, so what I'll use here is neighbor8@gmail.com. Alright guys, so yeah, you need a strong password of minimum 8. So we're going to put a strong password there, and there. Okay, you can see it turned green. That means it's a strong password. Okay, so guys, let's go to create account. Click the box. Alright, now human verification is always allowed. So now you see, select all the squares with traffic lights. If they are none, click skip. You can see there's a traffic light here, so we'll select that and we'll click on next. And crosswalk, you can see there's a crosswalk here. We'll click on them. Then we go to verify, and you see it's already verifying. So guys, we're creating an account right now. Okay, we'll just give it some few seconds to load, and it's loading, and you can see right now, let's give it some few seconds. Alright guys, before it loads, I'm using a 1GB RAM phone with an 8GB of ROM, so that's why it's pretty slow. It's not too fast. I should think it should be, but with the cost of long run, I'm gonna get a new device that's very fast. Alright guys, so you can see they say we sent an email to neighbor8@gmail.com. Tap the verification link inside to get started. Alright guys, you can see this is the link. So I'm going to my Gmail right now to verify my account. Going to link to verify my account right now. Sorry, it's slow. Alright, so verify your email address. So click on this link guys, and it's going to take you to your browser again. My default browser is Chrome, but I love DuckDuckGo to browse with. Let's give it a second guys. Okay guys, you can see your email has now been verified. Please sign in to continue. Alright guys, from here in Cameroon, as I told you, creating wallet in Cameroon. So I'm gonna put my contact here, 670-288-568. But guys, if you get into that contact, it won't work because this number is inside my modem. As you can see up there, I'm using a Wi-Fi to browse right now, so the number is in my modem. So I'll simply go to my modem to check the message. Yeah, good morning, to check the message. They'll send me a message here. Alright guys, you can see Coinbase. So guys, you can see, so this is my verification. So we have guys, we have 7555227. So 7555227. 7555227. Alright guys, so click on submit. Okay guys, That's all. We're inside our Coinbase account. So guys, congratulations, you just created your Coinbase account. Okay guys, for now that will be all. As you can see, that will be all for now guys. So show me some love, subscribe, like the video guys. To get verified, I'm gonna do that in the next video very soon guys. Stay tuned, subscribe, and click the bell icon and like. Comment your questions down below, okay?